Bitcoin, your time has come, your time has begun, your time has arrived. The halving of Bitcoin is still 2 months away, and the cryptocurrency is about to reach new all-time highs that are less than $15,000 away. People had doubts about us, folks. Because Bitcoin is now trading at approximately $56,000, we are not going to start going crazy right now. There is a possibility that by the time you guys are watching this video, it will have already collapsed or something else, but it appears that it has no intention of stopping, guys. Absolutely insanity. Not even today. It's almost 10%, guys. What exactly is going on here, gentlemen? A candle that cost more than $5,000 in just one day. To put it simply, my heart is pounding and I am smiling so much. Although XRP is falling behind, this is the ideal situation that might occur, just as we discussed earlier, gentlemen. Exactly when did we discuss this matter? Let's get back to the beginning of the bull run, which occurred many years ago. First things first about that. Not to mention, on November 1st, I was like, wait, Bitcoin may reach new all-time highs by halving or somewhere around that time frame, guys. We actually called the bottom. I'm hoping that by halves, I can get $90,000. Males by the month of April. First, let's see if it's even possible. If that is not possible, then it is okay. Men, that is the case. Nevertheless, things are just beginning to get exciting, gentlemen. That is the main point. In the event that Bitcoin reach a new all-time high, the value of all coins will skyrocket. Guys, the formula is not complicated at all, is it? The reason why the Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund ETF trading volume has surpassed $1.1 billion today simply in BlackRock space in the month of May. Doesn't that sound like something you could make up? Guys, there is a tremendous amount of demand, quite a lot of sales. Buying, and more to come. Guys, they are all interested in it. They are all genuinely interested in it, aren't they, guys? Is beneficial to both of us? By the way, we would be quite grateful if you could give the video that we have uploaded today a thumbs up. I am grateful to you. Then, we noticed that the trading volume of Bitcoin Exchange Traded Funds ETFs has surpassed $3.24 billion today, guys, from BlackRock, Grayscale, and these other institutions just in total spot ETF trading volume. Furthermore, we observe that they always conceal everything in what, don't you remember, not hidden from view. Is it not true that the ticker for Valkyrie is simply BRR? You people are acting as if you are printing money. Their fund held in Bitcoin. You folks are correct in assuming that this is the case, don't you think? That is absolutely hilarious. Is it correct, Justin, that MicroStrategy has purchased an additional $3,000 worth of Bitcoin? It is approximately $155 million. Michael Saylor has stated that he is going to continue purchasing for an indefinite amount of time. What do you think of that tactic? That could be the case. Nobody is aware of it. However, take a look at this, though. In spite of the fact that we do observe a significant number of these establishments embracing Bitcoin, folks, right? That being said, there are others who are still on the bench. Correct? Take, for example, Vanguard, which is a major player in the allocation of resources, such as 401k plans, right? In addition to all of these other establishments, gentlemen, that is the crucial point, isn't it? So it is still necessary for these individuals to join the party. To reiterate, things are going to have a lot of excitement, folks. The process has already started. People are sleeping, as we have been saying for quite some time. It seems that nobody is discussing anything. Is that correct, guys? What are the chances that you will hear others discussing cryptocurrency if you go outside? Not likely at all. Gentlemen, I won't be able to sleep for the next 30 days, 60 to 90 days. Apparently, Ferrari is going to start accepting cryptocurrency and Bitcoin as a form of payment in the United States as well, right? Take note of them. They are all willing to accept. Keep in mind that these are comparable to the automotive sector, right? Taking Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment. That is completely absurd. In the event that they are, what should we do next, guys? It is imperative that the financial sector incorporate cryptocurrencies as well, gentlemen. That appears to be the conclusion. Is that correct? Guys, they want to test the waters out, and they want everyone else to feel comfortable inside the situation. After that, the financial institutions will likely enter the market and introduce these crypto assets. Therefore, this is the reason why Ripple purchased Medeco and Xandard custody, or why it is thinking like a bank, men. To add insult to injury, in the video that we are going to be discussing today, we are going to be discussing the technical analysis aspect of Bitcoin, okay? It's simply the news right now, guys, because there's a lot of optimistic news right here. But keep in mind that a lot of people are still negative on the market. You guys, what exactly did I talk about? In the event that Bitcoin continues to pump, the maximum amount of agony would be, right? The price of Bitcoin will continue to rise if it continues to pump. That would be the worst possible outcome. Now, Japan is making a significant investment in Bitcoin. A decision has been made by the Japanese cabinet to allow venture capital firms to participate in cryptocurrency assets. Another sign that is bullish. Tomorrow is the day that the Swiss Post Office will begin offering services for trading and custody of Bitcoin, gentlemen. This took place a few days ago, which was the previous week. Take note of that. In Switzerland, PostFinance is the 5th largest bank with 2.5 million customers, and it is the biggest bank overall. Wow. Take a look at this over and over again. The effect is similar to that of a snowball, right? Whenever a single institution or organization declares its support for cryptocurrency or Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin, the other cryptocurrencies are being compelled to embrace them altogether. As far as legitimate cryptocurrencies are concerned, the Bitcoin cycle has always been a lightning-fast one nonetheless. This is the reason why we are accelerating quicker right now, folks, correct? This could be due to the fact that we did not blow off top. Is it possible that we will soon witness a blow off top here? It does appear to be the case, doesn't it? The manner in which Bitcoin is climbing higher, just like it did the last time, folks, like this right here. Are you folks able to see how it reached such a high level? However, my suggestion is that we advance to a higher level. Correct? Consequently, about $90,000 fall back down, which is a blow off top, I suppose, and then go back up to 25 and 26, and then after that, the collapse should occur. Of course, that's just my hypothesis. It's highly likely that I'm wrong, but who knows, the guys. Take a look at this, people, because it is the reason why things may speed up so much more swiftly. This bull flag has recently been confirmed about Bitcoin. How come? Given that you are able to view the poll right here, is that correct? And after that, folks, it was time to consolidate. It was a breakup. Correct? Not long ago, it was verified. What exactly is the target? I'm talking about 63,000 people, which is very close to reaching new all-time highs. What exactly did we discuss, both of you? Do you agree that this is how a parabola operates? Guys, I have not yet made any changes to this. The work of a parabola is as follows. You have arrived at the initial trend line, right? What is the initial point of contact? If I'm not mistaken, the second one is exactly here. And after that, the third one is most likely going to be somewhere, but I'm not sure where it will be. Do you think that in the future we will be able to see a dump? In light of this, it is likely to increase. Again, just to take a little bit of the heat off. So let's just pretend that the third one is somewhere around here, people. Is that correct? Take note of that. This is how it will turn out. Therefore, this is how a parabola begins or is formed. Therefore, it will be something like to this, gentlemen. That's right, 1, 2, and then 3 right there. Can you hear me? Something along those lines. Once more, a scenario from Max Payne. Incredible stuff, you guys. With regard to this channel, we do not even perform technical analysis. I suppose that we are now, however, it has just been 4 hours since the last update, and the sell wall of the spot has significantly thinned out to a significant degree. Gentlemen, dogs and bears are worn out. Exhausted to the extreme, right? In an instant, Bitcoin will be here, along with $60,000. Count to 10. For your information, the bears are being devoured alive. This is not a joke at all. It is neither a joke nor is it a practice session. How come? Because you shouldn't make it too complicated. It is all written on the chart. How come?